This is my second time visiting. I later found out I could buy tickets on Klook, which is great. It's a perfect place for families and friends together, and a great option for rainy days. The games here are based on the concept of obstacle courses you see on TV shows, which are fun and safe. Highly recommended. Plus, there are all-you-can-eat snacks and drinks. Since the ticket allows you to play everything, time flies by as you try each activity. The kids had a blast. It's not as big as you'd expect, but it has everything you need, and you can go directly to eat. The downside is that the toilet is too far away, and it's too big. It should be planned to be half of the space. The other space can be planned for static activities such as table games. The ticket is bought on the website for 2 hours, and an additional $100 is added on site for another hour, which is more than enough. It's $20 cheaper than buying a ticket on site. Buy it first, use it first. Just scan the QR code and you can go in. It's a great deal to buy on Klook, convenient and time-saving. Apple Pay can be used directly. The kids had so much fun they didn't want to leave, and 2 hours went by quickly. There is food to eat and fun to do. Unlimited drinks and food. Unfortunately, there are only 2-hour and 3-hour prices. Although you can renew the time, it is strange to come back for renewing after it has been broadcasted, so most people choose to forget it. Come back next time. An indoor place in Kenting to avoid the sun. The amusement facilities in the museum are suitable for adults and children to have fun together. There is also a self-service bar to replenish water and energy. Only the water bomb shooting is not suitable for children. The facilities are fun and diverse, and the food provided is delicious and of a certain standard. Remember to bring your own non-slip socks or purchase them on site. The venue is very large. The facilities inside are very good. 2 hours is a bit short. I had a lot of fun and the time was over quickly. You need to bring your own anti-slip socks. Super fun. We all had a lot of fun playing together. Although the food was ordinary, there were a lot of games to play. Very fun, very fun, very fun, very fun, very fun and convenient. It is recommended to buy tickets online first. It is very convenient and there are discounts. Kenting Golden Theme Park is a fun and delicious tourist destination with a variety of buffet dining options, allowing visitors to taste a variety of food at will. From fresh seafood to local specialties, each one can bring a satisfying taste experience. Whether you are enjoying food after playing or enjoying the fun of buffet dining with family and friends, this place provides a wealth of choices and a pleasant dining atmosphere, making it a great place to enjoy your vacation.